The workplace is increasingly complex. So at Konica Minolta, we strive to make things simple. We know technology is at the heart of your business. So we began designing the new bizhub i-series by asking you what you needed. Intelligent simplicity and next-generation security became our focus. Our aim? To give users complete control and total confidence. But we didn't stop there. We kept moving forward, driven by our desire to rethink the role of technology in the workplace, an approach that is part of Konica Minolta's DNA. This relentless pursuit of innovation improves both efficiency and quality, while automation and status monitoring enables the most precise production processes. But above all our products are a collaboration between machines and our people. At every stage of production, we rely on the human touch to rethink every component, to perfect every detail, and to test every possible scenario. So you can trust us to connect and protect your business. To ensure our technology is ready to become part of your workplace, we push it to the limit. So you can be confident it will continue to perform, year after year, as flawlessly as the day it was installed. Several years in the making, the new bizhub i-series simply and securely connects your people, places, and devices. To bring you tomorrow's workplace today.